Hey TikTok creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of custom sounds. Musical notes. Whether you want to add your own voice, play a musical instrument, or create unique sound effects, we're here to help. Step 1. Record your audio. Open the TikTok app, tap the button at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. Record a video with the audio you want to use, your voice, a musical instrument, or any other sound. Remember that the audio from this video will become your custom audio. Step 2. Edit your audio. After recording, use the editing options on the next screen. Explore voice effects, add voiceovers, or adjust the speed of your clips. Creative. Can add filters or experiment with different effects. Step 3. Post your video. Tap the large check mark to perfect your video. Post it to your profile. When you watch a video, note that it's playing your original audio. Step 4. Reuse your audio. Want to use your original audio in another video? Tap the disc icon in the bottom right of your video. Select Use this sound at the bottom of the screen. Create new videos with your custom TikTok audio. Thank you for watching the video.